To Harshwardhan, guys. Today we are gonna learn how to make cake only and only in 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. So first we need Oreo biscuits, 2 packets. Then we will open it and keep it in bowl like this, guys. Oh, it's full. So friends, we will take a spoon. You can take back of your spoon you can use, and we will open it and we will open the cream like this. You can see. We will take out the cream. Okay, in all of these biscuits. We have broken all the biscuits and we have kept this in our jar. So we will close it, and take this to mixie and crush it. So friends, this is now we will grind them. So like this we will grind it. So friend, we will keep checking them that it is done or not. No friends, as you can see, some particles see friends, we have grinded them and it is now totally powder. You can check this. You can see friends, it is totally powder. So we will take them out. You can see. You need to keep checking while grinding. You need to keep checking that it is done or not, or any biscuits are means left or not. You need to keep checking. So it's a hard work, guys. So you need to do it. So I have taken out the powder. So we will keep this aside. Now we will make the batter. So friends, now we will make the batter. So we will add the crushed Oreos on a bowl and we will mix it. Then we will add powdered sugar, guys. And if you don't know, if you will not able to buy this, friends, you can. So guys, if you don't have powdered sugar, just you can take sugar and grind it in your mixie. So we will add 2 tablespoon powdered sugar in our crushed Oreos like this, friends. You can see, and mix it well. You can see, guys, you have to mix it very well. Either it won't become a very nice and fluffy cake. You can see, guys, you have to again and again. If you think that sugar is less, so you can add again like this. You have to mix it. So guys, now we will add milk, little bit, very little. If you have to make hard batter. And friends, one note I want to give you, that you have to only move it in one direction. If you will move it by direction, it won't become a good cake. Okay, guys? So better recognize that. You can see, guys, like this. We have to keep adding milk till it will be a hard dough or batter. Sorry, batter, not dough. Sorry, guys. You can see it's looking very tasty, guys. And friends, one good thing is that you don't need to buy any flour or any wheat flour or maida. You will only make this with 2 packets of Oreo, sugar and Eno and milk. So as you can see, guys, our batter is looking very good. Yeah, you need this consistency only, as you can see, guys. So friends, this fragrance is very good of this batter. It means it's very good, I am feeling. So you should try this at your home, friends. So then you need to add 1 whole packet of Eno in this. Okay, guys, like this. You have to again mix it well. And please make a note, guys, you have to only move your spoon in one direction. So friends, we will mix it well. Friends, now you need to put 3 spoons of milk again on it. Now friends, as you can see, it should look like this only. Friends, now this is another step. Friends, this step is optional. If you are not having vanilla essence, you don't add. And but if you are putting vanilla essence in your cake, you need to put only 1 or 3 drops on it. Okay, guys, when it start bubbling, you have to stop mixing it. As you can see, it's bubbling, guys, so it's the time to put this into oven. Guys, we will take a mold and we will put some oil in it. So guys, we will brush some oil in our mold. As you can see, like this, guys. Now we will add the batter. We will add the batter in it like this. As you can see, in our mold we will add the batter. So friends, like this. Now we have to shake it. We will spread whole batter in the mold, friends. So friends, like this we have to spread this. Now friends, for it's good looking, we will add some sprinklers. If you are not having, friends, you can just add some edible flowers like rose and all. Okay friends, it's looking pretty good, guys. So friends, we have to put the cake in convection mode into 220 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay guys, like this we have to start. As you can see, guys, our cake is being ready. This, open it. As you can see, guys, we will add some more sprinkles on our cake. Okay, and we will leave it for 10 minutes more. Okay, we will leave it for 10 minutes more. Okay guys, as you can see, 10 minutes more. Our cake is ready. We will take it out like this. Carefully, friends, it's very hot. We will take it out. And friend, for garnishing, we will not use cream, we will use some Oreo biscuits. Okay guys, now we will unmold this cake. Okay, so friends, first we will leave this for some time to let it cooling, then we will unmold it. Okay friends, our cake is done. After garnishing, it will look like this. Thank you guys, subscribe my channel.